Hi, hello.
I'm a Filipino in New Zealand.
Tagalog lang. Say hi.
Say hi. Hello. Okay, Filipino in New Zealand, of course. Guwapa ko.
Ate, gikalit na kami mo. Guwapa ko.
Filipino in New Zealand.
Of course, ikaw, Lugaw.
Should I say something?
Yeah, of course, my wife is a Filipino. Just
Oh,
say.
my wife's a Filipino, and I love Filipino people.
Wow!
And the other thing is, my whole guitar.
Mahal kita. Thank you, Tio.
Naman.
Filipino in New Zealand.
Of course, guwapo ko.
Pilipino in New Zealand, of course, maingay kami.
Filipino in New Zealand, of course.
Kumakain kami ng tumay.
Of course. Guwapa ko.
Of course, Shomai, it's live.
Ah!